Hello, this is the demo for Homework2. I'm going to use public key infrastructure to set up an HTTPS server. First, I have already got the OpenSSL installed, and I can check the version. Also, the several algorithms that support it. And then I'm going to generate a C certificate. First, I copy the configuration file to the local folder and create directory that will be required in the following steps. Is some files. Then use this command to generate a certificate for the CA. And input some information. This will generate two files, one for the certificate and one for the key. And then I'm going to set the private key for the server using DS algorithms. With this key, we are able to generate the certificate request. Also, for some additional information, and it's better to keep this domain name map that one we set in the CS certificate. Okay, we have the request here, and then we use the certificate of the CA to issue the certificate of the server. So before that, we need to make another directory for this step to be successful. So now we have the certificate for the server. and we can view the certificate in text format. This will show the algorithm and the other informations. Then we combine the server key with this certificate. And then we have got all we need to set up the HTTPS server. To set up a simple one, use this command. Use the www protocol. Since I have already set up one before, so I need to find out that and kill it. I have already set up the hosts to match that domain name to the local IP address. So now we can access this website with this port. The default port is 4433. So now we can see the connection is not trusted because the certificate we just issued is not trusted by the browser. So we need to import the certificate to the browser. This time it should be okay. And if we access this website using localhost or IP address, still cannot access since we only issued the certificate for the specific domain name, that is noproblem.com. Also, if I use the default port number 80, and it is unable to connect since we have no process listening to the port 80. And the final step is to access this website from the client Kelly. Before that, I'm going to copy this certificate to that machine. And we are going to open a browser. On this machine, I also uh, already set up the domain name to IP mapping. So before importing the certificate, we should not be able to access. And now there should be no problem. Yes, and the last thing to do is that we test the speed for a specific algorithm using OpenSSL command. This will give the speed for a specific algorithm on a specified size. Since RSA algorithm is a little bit slower, we can try the AES, which will be faster. And this will enumerate the algorithm on all the block sizes. Also, if there are more than one type of the algorithm, it will enumerate them all. Thank you.